of all, a very happy wolf moon to every one of you who's participating today. May God bless you all with loads and loads of success. It's the first full moon of this year, and 2022, I want all of you to be happy, all your wishes to get fulfilled. Everything that you desire happens this year. So that's the reason I am bringing everyone under one platform. My upcoming March batch, my existing Kavan members, all of you are here today, and I'm very happy that as a family we all are going to be here today and do it, because for me, my students, my followers, my Kavan members and my upcoming members, all of you are my friends, my family and everything. So those who can keep their cameras on, very well and good, because my students will keep the camera on. I have given them strict instructions that you have to keep the cameras on. Baki ke log, those who want to keep your cameras on, please keep your cameras on. First thing, why do we do meditation is something which 2-3 of you asked me today, so I thought I will tell you all. First thing, see, meditation is there in every modality. It is not that only Hindu people do or Buddhist monks do. Yeah, the only people who are into a particular tradition or spirituality do. A meditation is done by almost everyone. Now when it comes for Wiccans, why I specifically make them to do a meditation on full moon and new moon is because as you grow in this field, you become more and more powerful. So that is the reason. As I said, usually it only happens with my Wicca members, but this time I thought let everyone be a part of it to know what energies it brings. So even people who believe in angels will work with meditation. They meditate on the angels. People who believe in archangels, people who believe in Reiki, for everyone meditation works beautifully, because meditation is the safest way to connect with the universe. Now when I say safest way to connect with the universe, most of you all here are my students who have done either candle workshop with me or Wicca with me, something or other you all have done with me. So what is the point here with you people is because that when you connect with the universe, few things will happen. You can do your spells more powerfully. First thing, you can make your mind more calmer, because many people think what is meditation? Calming your mind, having a peace of mind. No, that is not only meditation. Meditation is where your third eye starts getting focused, where your third eye starts working towards one particular energy and you focus yourself with concentration, whether it is a Reiki, whether it is a healing, whether it is tarot cards, whether it is doing your spells, rituals. That is why meditation is very important, and that is why even in Wicca we keep saying keep doing meditations, and blessed are those who do their meditations on every full moon and new moon with their high priestess. Some of you over here are already my Kavan students for whom I am the high priestess. Some of you all here for whom I am going to become the high priestess in the upcoming March. And some of you over here already take me as your mentor, as your Guruma, as your Pinkini, whatever. But in every form, I am somewhere a person who is going to guide you and lead you through. So meditation works in that way. It will guide you to a higher level where you will work more positively, where you will become more, like you will reach a place where you will feel, yes, my clairvoyance level is becoming more. I am becoming more powerful. My healing energies are becoming more stronger. I am able to connect with the universe really well. I am able to connect with people around me also well. Sometimes what happens when you keep doing meditation regularly, you will feel when you see a person, you can sense his aura. In fact, in future, there are chances you will start seeing colors of the aura of the person. Many people come and ask me, Pinky ji, mere aura ka color kya hai? Can you tell me? So then when I tell them this is the issue you are having, then they just back off saying, how come you know? It is very simple. Meditation is a secret behind that also. So first I will just tell you all what we do, because my Wicca students know, others don't know. So I just made a small thing that what we will be doing before we start. I will give you all standard instructions. Uske baad you all will follow only those instructions. Okay. So first you will sit somewhere where you're comfortable. Your hands should be like this. In your lap or wherever you're sitting, your palms should be up towards the universe. Taki you're receiving the energies during this energy session. So your hands will be like that, and when you're filling in air, your lungs will fill and your stomach will fill. It is as if you're filling a balloon. Your body is becoming a balloon. You are inhaling air in such a way that the lungs and the stomach start expanding and becoming bigger. Now when you're exhaling out, you will think you're exhaling every unwanted energy from your body, unwanted toxins, unwanted energies, things which no longer are needed in my body. Sometimes we have certain emotions. Maybe some of you have fought with someone and come and sat for the meditation. All that I'm going to, let go. So you're going to let go of everything. Now, one thing what we will be doing, I will be taking you all through 7 times. When I say inhale, you will close one side of your nose and inhale through one side. So when you're inhaling, you will inhale as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you will stop breathing up to the count of 3. 1, 2 and 3, and then you will close this and you will exhale from this side to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, same way from where you are exhaling, you will inhale. I will say inhale, I will guide you through. So when I say inhale, I'll say inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you will stop. Now you will not breathe up to the count of 1, 2, 3. Then when you exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this we will do 7 times, and then we will start with the meditation. I will guide you all through. Now those who are my Vikas students, when I start guiding you through, you will use your magical name. You will call on me, your high priestess, your god, goddesses which was given to you with your magical names. And also you will connect with the lunar goddess. Those who are upcoming in my upcoming Vika batch will call on me only as their high priestess. And you will call on the lunar goddess. Others, as I said, for most of you all, I am your guru, I am your mentor, I am your Pinky the Guruma, whatever you call me as. You will say I call on her, so that you get connected and you will connect with the lunar goddess. I hope this is clear. If it is not clear, you can leave a message in the chat or just give a thumbs up so that I would understand that most of you have heard it. Yes? Perfect? Fine. Now we will start. Okay? So sit somewhere comfortable with your hands up. Okay? And you can put your, maybe for the first few minutes, with one hand, first close your left nose. Left nose. Start with closing the left. Okay? Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now close your right nose and stop breathing to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your opposite nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from where you have exhaled, you will inhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Close the nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bring your both hands back to your palms and call on me. If you are a Wiccan, call on your magical name and saying, I so and so call on my high priestess, my gods and goddesses. Even the upcoming batch can call my name. Others also will call my name. I will take you all through an elemental meditation where I will chant a particular statement 11 times, and you will chant either inside or outside loud also after me. This is an elemental phrase which we will start with. This will connect you to the universe. So you are now connected with the universe, and you are connected with me. You are connected with the divine. You are connected with the beautiful, beautiful lunar goddess. Okay, we will start the chant. El Ka Lim Om Ra. El Ka Lim Om Ra. El Ka Rim 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 Om Ra. Connect with the lunar goddess. Visualize the moon energy coming on top of you. You will find a white light entering from your crown, flowing down and down. As this white light is blessing you today on this powerful, powerful full moon, some of you might see an image of a goddess. Some of you might see a symbol. Some of you might find a pentacle, infinite symbol, star symbol. Some of you will see the wolf, a nice, amazing white wolf in your visualization, standing there. The wolf magic is beginning. The wolf moon magic is beginning. Beautifully, the wolf is standing there. The moonlight is just giving you a bath. It's as if an ocean of water is falling on you as white light. It is as if the moonlight is just waiting to bless you all in a very beautiful and abundant way. The white light is just flowing over you. Say it from inside. I am blessed. I am blessed that the goddess, the lunar goddess, is blessing me. I am blessed to see the wolf. I am blessed to see the symbol that I am seeing. I am blessed. I am happy. I am blessed. I am happy. As the white light, for most of you all, the white light is flowing on top of you. You can see yourselves covered with white, soothing, beautiful light, making you feel happy with smiles on your face, because you can see the wolf, you can see the goddess, you can see the symbols. You see a lot of things in your visualization, and you see the white light overpowering, overflowing. Like an ocean, you are surrounded with that ocean. You are happy. Say, I am happy. I am blessed. Today on this full moon, I forgive those who hurt me. On this beautiful, beautiful full moon, I forgive those who hurt me. I forgive you that you have hurt me. I forgive you for the tears you caused in my life. I forgive you for all the bad things you did to me. I forgive you for all the hurt you created in my life. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. I release you to the universe. I release you to the universe. I release you to the universe. I forgive you, as today the full moon is making me powerful. My Hecate is making me powerful. My triple goddess is making me powerful. As the moon is flowing its energy on me, as the moon is blessing me, I forgive you. I am blessed and I am happy. I can see the ocean of white light over me. I let go of all the pains. I let go of all the sorrows. I let go of everything and anything that has hurt me till today. I am a born winner. I am a born fighter. I love myself. The lunar goddess loves me. My wolf loves me. My mentor loves me. My guru loves me. I am the most powerful person today. Oh lunar goddess, I thank you. As I see your white light flowing on me, I see the beautiful, beautiful energies flowing around me. I can feel your presence. Oh dear wolf, I thank you that you have decided to bring magic in my life. I am nothing without your magic. I forgive anything and everything that has hurt me in my life. I let go of anything and everything that has troubled me in my life. I am one with the universe today. I am one with the divine today. I am one with my goddess today. I am one with my mentor today. I am one with my high priestess today. I cannot ask for more. I am happy. I cannot ask for more. I am blessed. I cannot ask for more. I am powerful. Just be in that white light for some time. The white light is flowing. As I see the images here in my camera, I can see so many of you in that white light with smiles on your faces, absorbing the beautiful, beautiful white light, enjoying the bliss. Just go with the flow. Absorb it. Thank the lunar goddess. You can also say, wolf magic, begin now. Because the wolf is blessing you all. The wolf is making you all magical. The white light is showering from your crown to the whole body. Your aura is filled with white light. You no longer have any hurt. You no longer have any pain. You no longer have any stress. Your life is going to become smooth. Life is going to become prosperous. Life is going to become happy. Today on this full moon, you are blessed by the lunar goddess. You are blessed by the angels. You are blessed by the divine. You are blessed by your mentor. What more blessings you need? You all are blessed. So say, I am blessed. I am happy. I am powerful. Thank the moon goddess. Thank the wolf. Thank the divine. Thank your mentor for leading you through this beautiful meditation today, for cleansing you from all the pains, all the hurt. Slowly, slowly, when you feel that the white light has receded inside your body, rub your palms. Thank the Mother Earth because she is the root cause for all of us to combine here and come today under one place for this beautiful full moon meditation. As you feel the energies subsiding, rub your palms. Thank the goddess, thank the angels, and then you can open your eyes.